Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is breakfast, an A1 level noun meaning the first meal of the day. Breakfast is a really common word, and it's used to describe that morning meal we all need to kickstart our day. Think of the times you hear it. What did you have for breakfast? Or let's go get breakfast. Some synonyms for breakfast could be morning meal or first meal, for example. I usually skip my morning meal, or the first meal of the day is important for energy. Interestingly, there aren't many direct antonyms for breakfast since it's about time of day. You could say supper or dinner, but those are not exactly antonyms as they relate to other meal times, such as we will have supper at 7 p.m. or dinner is served. In everyday life, you might say, I'm making breakfast now. Have you had your breakfast yet? Or let's meet for breakfast tomorrow. Here are a few more examples. I love having a big breakfast. My breakfast today was eggs and toast. And what time is breakfast? Today, we learned that breakfast is that important first meal of the day. Thank you all for joining me on this language adventure. If you found this episode helpful, please be sure to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps others find our show. Also, please create your own sentence about breakfast and share it as a comment under the video.